All right. So it says, get ready for a hilarious food fight. I don't know what that means. So the challenge is to feed my opponent while trying to eat what they're feeding me.
This guy used to knock people in forehead.
Spin it wrong like say it down that.
No, but you have to catch it. It must be long down.
No.
It must be long down.
How is she? Watch her. All right, just say it then.
No, but...
No, and I'm just going like that.
That's too easy.
Both so?
Remember, we're Olympic training now. We don't come into this thing to just... Ready?
Right.
Wait, is this a simultaneous feed?
Simultaneous.
And Mark?
And our hand not tall enough to reach up here. It don't make no sense.
I'm not tall.
That's that. What happened to my one?
Sorry, it's a bun clash.
You say you knock me out. No. Roll it up a little bit more. Because you're not tall enough.
Ready?
Yeah.
And Mark?
But you're doing it deliberately. You're not putting it in the...
I just putting my hand in the air and trying to reach my bun.
You are supposed to give me bun.
No. Well. you know.
Like how I am giving you.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. I can't.
You never say a man I get bun and laugh yet? Kylos? This is not making any sense, soldier man. Ready?
Come. But you're moving yours. I am not. Hold on, stop. I'm not moving mine, you know. But you're moving yours.
No.
All right, come again.
I'm moving myself.
Come. See it?
I don't even see what my string is doing. Why if you...
we got
This looked easier in the video. Ready?
Yeah.
What is happening here? This cannot be so hard. It can't
It's
be.
your fault.
Come on, Nev, we
I
can
am
do
not
this.
moving mine and
Ready?
you move. Yeah.
I'm gonna work out drink. Wait, creep. Strategy.
It's because I am not moving mine and you are moving yours.
You are moving yours. Why can't I bite it if you're moving it?
Because
if you're not moving it.
All right, okay.
Ready?
You see it? It's not moving. Look on your one. What's that? Mine don't move, you know. Mine don't move.
Get born.
Am I moving mine? No. Is she moving hers? Thank you. Come again.
Dingy sister.
Dingy sister. Come. You see it? Mine not moving.
Yeah, you got it already.
Come on. It don't down there for too long. Come again.
No, 5 second rule?
Yeah, it don't down
No,
there.
Nephew, I can't give you dirty bun.
What's that? Oh, dirty bun. As opposed to a clean
bun. 30 seconds leave. I would never do that.
No, give it to me. I don't, man.
No, it's dirty.
It's not dirty.
No, let her give you this one then. Ready?
No, this is yours.
I'm not giving the dirty
them say what don't kill you will
no, you have to.
Will fatten you.
People are watching the television. Children.
Me need the fattening.
Children, when your food fall on the ground, you are
as long
not.
as it's not 5 seconds, you can't deal with it.
That was longer than 5 seconds.
Come now, come.
Come, follow.
You're doing it deliberately.
Because I'm not giving you dirty bun.
All right, sir.
Finish? Good job.
I'm almost tired.
Go team.
What's that? Oh, it's time for news.
Oh, my.
The second edition of News in 5.
Look at the time.